Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are heading to buy another car. We have to go around 41 miles. It may be take around 1 hour and 20 minutes. Once I reach to the car, I will give you more information. Please hang around. Right. We came to the place. This is the car. Once I do the documentation, I'll come back to you. Just came to Bromley after 25 miles motorway journey. Car running very smooth, no knocking, no banging, clutch very good. Yeah, can't complain anything, no warning light because of the age. It's done 146,000 miles, but because of the age, I can give full marks for the car. No problem, drive very smoothly, no banging, no knocking, nothing. Clutch perfect. Unfortunately, I noticed one thing, exhaust little bit noisy. A part of that, I can't complaining. We'll see the glasses, this side work, and passenger side. Yeah, it's going down. Yes, it's work. Yeah, passenger side down button working. You can see it's going down, but up button not working. We'll see this side. Yes, we can do it from that side. It's not a problem. We'll see passenger left. Passenger left. Yeah, it's working nice. Driver side rear. Yeah, all working. We'll see the side mirrors. Yeah, it's working. And passenger side. Yeah, it's working. And there is a AC. We'll see the AC. Ah, lovely. I thought it's not working. Yeah. Oh, freezing cool. Nice. That's why I thought it's not working. However, I didn't check that one. I opened the window and came. But yeah, I know. Definitely it's work. And the setup. Yeah. Setup also working. Clock working. Yeah. Inside everything as should be. And nice and tidy car. I got the logbook and bunch of documents here. I'm not sure what's in there, but I know this car doesn't have a MOT. Some cards there, lot of bills, MOT certificates. Yeah, yeah, I'm going to leave it as it is, but I know, however, I need to do the MOT. Let's see under the bonnet. We'll see engine oil. Look like to me I need to do the service. Little bit old oil, you can see here. Tiny oil mark here, might be someone spilled oil or it's leaking from the just hose. It's not a bigger thing, we can push in the hose. And also slightly oil mark at the back also. Well, this is the AC line. I'm not sure, I have to check that one, but not like a major. We'll see underneath the car. I can see front exhaust new one, right? Front exhaust new. I don't know where it's leaking. I had to check that one. And the slightly gearbox side also little bit wet. And the front driver side tire, new tire. And the back one also good condition. Tiny squeaking noise, doesn't matter. Nice and tidy inside. If someone do the like a delivery, courier something, this good space for the car. Or if someone has a big family, look okay for them. And need to little bit give the wash. See, or sit on the long time. and tiny corroded mark here. Need to do something for that one. And it has a it came with the compressor, and here it has a jack, wheel brush. That tire also good condition. Vehicle has a good boot space, look like a saloon car. This side tire little bit close to the level. I'm going to do the tire for that one before MOT. This tire good condition. Yeah, can't complain for the pricing. I paid 300, fully worth. Then I had to little bit do the value added. I had to do the new MOT. Then after the MOT, I'm going to do the oil service for the safer side. Little bit fresh oil, fresh filter. Yeah, after I'll done everything, I'll come back to you. See you soon. Done the oil service of this car, and after that I need to sort out exhaust. It's blowing, back section I need to sort out. Then after that I'm going to arrange MOT, and after the MOT I'm going to sort out this corroded place. Hi Bowan, welcome back. Basically all done, MOT done, and remember it was some big hole there, slightly amend that one, and service done. Now next step we are going to do the wheel cap, little bit make it nice because this old one nearly gone. Then we are going to install new wheel cap. All done, it's ready to trading. You know, all is gold. You know why am I say like that? Today outside temperature 29, freezing cool inside the car. That means this aircon work superb, really superb, really cool inside the car. Even I'm using like a 2015, 16, 17 cars. Even that AC not strong like this one, very strong. Okay, right now I am ready to take photos for the trading. We done everything, we done MOT, all good. Next step I'm going to do the photos for the trading. Basically I bought this car months ago, 300 pound. After that I done the MOT, another 50 pound. After the MOT I had to do exhaust repair done, oil service done. After that I'll make it nice, wheel cap done, and wash and paints, petrol. Basically I spend service 80 pound, MOT 50 pound, exhaust 50 pound, wheel cap 22 pound, wash and paints, and the polishing another 80 pound, petrol 25 pound. Altogether I spent 307 pound. I bought it 300. Basically I spent altogether 607 pound. However, I'm going to do the trading. I feeling I'm going to do with auto trader. Then I have to spend another 50 pound there. However, I feeling I'm going to do around 1100 pounds. I'm going to advertising as 1100. We'll see how it's going on. Once I complete the sale, I'll let you know how much I get from this car. Apart of that, everything working perfectly, nicely, all controls working, AC perfect, no warning light, no pulling, no banging, nothing, all good. If someone bought this car, he or she okay for next year, hopefully. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow my channel, then you can get a lot of video like this. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, or any ideas, please share with me. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. See you in the next video.